Kopogre gi mano, eni jagoro mongirore e migao mar dongruok mar kuonde ma otuo Idris Dokota opuoyo jodak ma Narok kuom yaro pidho yiende mong'ere kaka bambu. Yiende go opidh e bwo chenro mar bad migao mar dongruok ma Iwaso Nyiro. Dokota nojiwo jopiny mondo omed pidho yiende mar reso chal mar kor lwasi. Omedo ni pidho kendo uso bambu ber aluora kendo juolo tije ne rowere e gwengego. Mae en achiel kuom okenge mar chopo lek mar pidho yiende bambu e heka 14 mano mar lope e aluora mar hoho mar Okak. Chenro makamagi jiwo mana mar piny owacho mano mamalo mageto pidho yiende moheo milion 15.
Paramount importance. One, it is in line with the directives, with the presidential directives that we need to plant around 15 billion trees. So this project, it is in line with that directive. And the other part is it is also part of the environmental conservation and climate change adaptation. So another area that this project fits in is that the project is aimed at creating employment opportunities through MSMEs, and the SMEs, through promotion of MSMEs, and the MSMEs will lead to actually creation of cottage industries around here. And our main aim is to start small craft industries, cottage industries, craftway cottage industries, then move up.
We already have farmers who are within the bamboo, who are growing bamboo. And we want to tell our farmers, especially those ones up in the upper belt of Narok or the Mao area, that bamboo, unlike other trees, can be harvested sustainably for up to 40 years. So once you grow bamboo in your land, you can continuously harvest it for as many as between 30 and 40 years. So it's a plant, it's not like any other tree.